Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks and how it works. Flinks is a Canadian financial data platform. Its primary function is to connect financial institutions, fintech companies, and other businesses with their users' banking data. Think of it as a secure digital bridge that allows for the safe and regulated sharing of financial information. At its core, Flinks helps businesses access and analyze customer financial data with the user's explicit consent. This data can include transaction history, account balances, and other key financial details. The goal is to make processes like loan applications, budget tracking, and financial verification faster and more accurate. So, how does it work? The process starts when a user agrees to share their financial data with a service or application that uses Flinks. Consent and authentication. The user is directed to a secure Flinks interface where they log in using their online banking credentials. Flinks never stores these credentials. Instead, it uses them temporarily to access the necessary data. Data retrieval. Flinks establishes a secure connection with the user's financial institution. It then retrieves the requested data, which is instantly encrypted. Data transmission. The encrypted data is passed securely from Flinks to the service or application that requested it. The data is often standardized and categorized by Flinks to make it easy for the requesting application to use and analyze. Use case. The application then uses this data for its specific purpose. For example, a lending company might use it to instantly verify income and assess creditworthiness, speeding up the loan approval process. A personal finance app might use it to show the user a consolidated view of all their accounts and their spending habits. Flinks emphasizes security and compliance. It is built to adhere to strict regulatory standards regarding data privacy and protection, giving both financial institutions and end users confidence in the process. In short, Flinks is a secure intermediary that simplifies the process of accessing and analyzing consumer financial data, driving innovation in the digital finance industry while prioritizing user consent and security. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.